Hey guys, Andy here with COR Surf, here with our 25 liter and 40 liter waterproof dry bag backpack. Now, we've been selling this for almost 10 years now. It's one of our top selling products. It is a heavy duty waterproof backpack that you can take pretty much anywhere. It can be submerged as long as you roll it correctly. And it is a great backpack. It's got an interior padded laptop sleeve thing that needs protection, whether it's an iPad, a laptop, a camera. It's got that nice padded sleeve in there, so in case you drop it, it's going to be okay. It also has an inside pocket for accessories that can zip up. And then as you can see, it's got an exterior pocket here that has water-resistant YKK zippers. So just to keep in mind, if you're going to submerge this in water, it's going to be sitting in water for extended period of time. I wouldn't put like a phone or anything in here because it's water resistant. So if it's in the rain or it's getting sprayed, no problem. But if you're going to submerge it and you have electronics, I would put it in the big part of the bag, the main compartment. And I'm going to show you real quick how to roll it up because there's two ways. There's clips on the sides. You can clip it down on the sides like that, or you can clip it up. And I'm going to show you, if you're going to be submersing this, I'm going to show you how you want to do it because you want to clip it from the top. That's going to really make sure you maintain the waterproofness if you're going to submerge it. So it does have a little bit of Velcro here at the top, which kind of helps line it up. But then you're going to roll it 1, 2, and you can push out a little bit of air. Get it down there. 3, and then I'm going to go 4 on this one because it's not full. But you want to go minimum 3 times, and you're going to clip it from the top like that. That is going to see no air is getting out. That means no water is getting in. And then you can clip this here at the top and then hold this down. So this thing is, like you can see, there's no air getting out. So this is ready to go. I can submerge this in water and it'll be fine. And then it's got 2 pockets here for a water bottle. It's got really nice padded shoulder straps. It's got D-rings here, so if you need to clip things. It's got waist belt, so if you need to take support off your shoulders. This thing is just really packed. It's got loading straps up here, adjustments, so you can really adjust this so it'll fit you perfectly. And then the water bottle pocket here is really big. So this is a huge 32 ounce. There, nice and neat. And then it's got one on the other side too. So you can put another one, or you can put snacks or whatever you want. And then same with the 25 liter. This is a little bit smaller. It does not have the waist belt. It does have a chest clip. And it does have a nice airflow back panel to keep the sweat off if you're hiking. And it also does have water bottle pockets. The water bottle pockets are a little bit smaller, but for like a bottle like this size, you can see it'll fit just nicely, nice and snug. So yeah, that's it, guys. The waterproof dry bag backpacks by COR Surf. Go check it out. Thank you.